first things first, what we are going to want to do is absolutely remove the batteries from our controller. Because, yeah, we just don't want to do this with the electricity on. So, now that the batteries are out of the controllers, we'll put them aside. Then we take our 100% isopropyl alcohol and we will put it into a smaller container for ease of access. We only need a tiny bit, so plan on putting it. Oh, that is strong. Don't breathe this, that's not healthy. So, gonna get your amount into here. Perfect. Let's okay. Get some of the air out of there. Okay, perfect. We got that prepped. Okay. So what you're going to want to do, oh my gosh, this controller has seen some use. But what you're going to want to do is move the thumbstick aside and just give it a gentle squirt, about like 8 to 12 drops. You can do some in a couple different directions. You generally want to get it in there. Now, oh, that fucking gave way. Be careful about that, my dog. Okay. So, safety goggles. I would advise that now. None got in my eyes, thankfully. Work it around in the stick. There is way too much in here, but that's okay. It'll all evaporate. Make sure you vigorously work that around. Give it a shake after about 30-45 seconds of working the thumbstick around. So once we're done this, which we're pretty much, you're going to want to literally shake the excess out of it. Good shakes. Since it's isopropyl alcohol, it evaporates really quickly if you get a majority of it out. So you'll know when you get a majority of it out when you stop feeling drops come out of the controller. Or you'll kind of feel your index finger getting wet from the alcohol. You're fine from that. So shake until that stops happening, and then leave that aside for a good 2 to 5 minutes. And while that's working on that, we shall do the other controller now. They're not glasses, but safety shades. At least something to block eye contact. Okay. Okay, so get that in there. So you're just working this around for another 30 seconds, 45 seconds, every direction. Click, pull. Don't pull on the joystick too hard. You don't want to rip it out, but you want it to like click upwards. Alright, so I think we're about done with this controller. Now, shake the controller heater decently. So I think that's it. Now we're gonna leave that for a good 2 to 5 minutes, and we'll be right back for the battery insertion. Alright, we are back and 5 minutes has passed, and we're gonna say these are good for plugging in. So let's take our controller, let's pop that battery in, and as we see, that nice white light, beautiful. I need to give these controllers a clean. You slap that bad boy in there. Look at that, even the one we put way too much in boots up just fine. Perfect. Now, we are upstairs, so we currently cannot test these on the VR, but that is going to be the final part of this video. We will see y'all back there.
Alright, now we're back in the game. So, after cleaning the controllers, you'll notice we have no drift anymore. Well, we didn't in the beginning of the video because I had to lock myself in, it was that bad. But anyway, we have no drift, we have very fine control over movement. And yeah, that's it. If this video has helped you, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you're feeling generous because I possibly saved you some money, my Ko-Fi is down in the description below as well. I hope y'all have an amazing day, night, wherever y'all are from. Have a good one. Peace out.